Live here from DMC, and we're going to give you a close-up look at the brand new DMC carbon fiber package for the Porsche Panamera 971. That's for the latest generation, but enough for the talking, let's take a close look at these items. Now, DMC has been starting to make some forged carbon fiber items for a while now, but this marks the first kit that we come up as a complete package, all parts made from forged carbon fiber. Let's start on the front. We have a beautiful front hood here, which gives also additional vents for better cooling. And on the front bottom, we see the brand new DMC front lip. Again, all parts made from beautiful forged carbon fiber. Do you like that material? If you don't like it, we also have these parts in regular carbon fiber, but leave us some comments below and let us know what you prefer. On the sides, we have some beautiful side skirts, again made from forged carbon fiber. So let's move to the rear. And here we can see the most prominent part of this kit, the beautiful DMC designed rear diffuser for the Porsche Panamera 971. Look at these big fins that we integrated. They give you a better aerodynamics, better road performance, and again, this item looks stunning in forged carbon fiber. So guys, that was it. A first look at the brand new Porsche Panamera 971 by DMC. All parts made from forged carbon fiber. I think I've repeated myself too much in this video, but I'm really proud about what we've done here. Our head office in Germany made an excellent job. We hope you like these parts as much as we do. If you liked them or the video, please leave us a thumbs up. And you know the drill, if you didn't like anything, please leave a thumbs down. No matter if you liked or didn't, kindly also leave us a comment and tell us what you liked or didn't, so we can improve and give you better content in future. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel and hit that little bell icon to get notifications for when we upload new videos. Let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Live.